how this entire journey started. Tell us something about your background. Dance आपकी ज़िंदगी में कैसे आया?
I was very good at sports and everything. So I never knew dance will come to me like this. But मैं sports था. I played 6 to 7 sports district level. स्कूल टाइम पे और स्कूल्स के पास भी एक ही रीज़न था मेरे को स्कूल में रखने का. माई फादर इज़ अ नेवी मैन.
आप फ्रीडम के बारे में क्या सोचते हैं?
आई थिंक द एबिलिटी टू चूज. So let's suppose if I have two different types of cup to drink the coffee in, because I don't think I focus on that aspect of this thing. Let's suppose आज coffee नहीं मिली ना, तो I'll be like अरे यार coffee नहीं मिली. I'm not that kind of a person. So I'll be like चाय मिल गई यार, वाओ यार आज चाय मिल गई. विशाल जी 3 रुपए नहीं होते थे परिवार के पास ना. 3 रुपए स्टूडेंट का बस का किराया लगता था छोटवाड़ा से बनी पार्क आने के लिए. बनी पार्क मेरे डांस क्लास थी, तो वो नहीं होते थे कभी कभी. तो मम्मी बोलती थी कि मेरी गाड़ी में स्कूटी में पेट्रोल डला हुआ है, ठीक है, तो आज की क्लास तो कैसे भी चले जा क्योंकि डला हुआ है पेट्रोल.
नमस्कार दोस्तों, आज मैं अपने पहले पॉडकास्ट के साथ आप सबके सामने शामिल हुआ हूं जिसका नाम है युद्ध क्वेक. युद्ध क्वेक एक ऐसा पॉडकास्ट है जिसमें हम उन लोगों को बुलाना चाहेंगे एज अ गेस्ट जिन्होंने अपने जीवन में काफ़ी संघर्ष करके एक ऊंचाई स्थापित करी है और वो कहीं ना कहीं युद्ध को इंस्पायर भी कर पाएंगे जो आज की तारीख में काफ़ी हद तक क्लैरिटी नहीं है उनमें या फिर वो अपने पर्पस को समझ नहीं पाए हैं. इसका मुख्य कारण ये भी हो सकता है कि काफ़ी लोग ये सोचते हैं कि मोटिवेशन इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग, लेकिन हमें ऐसा भी महसूस हो सकता है कि वो मोटिवेशन हमें 1 दिन के लिए मिल सकता है, 2 दिन के लिए मिल सकता है, लेकिन जब तक हम में डिसिप्लिन नहीं होगा तो वो मोटिवेशन ज़्यादा टाइम तक कामयाब नहीं कर सकेंगे. इस वजह से डिसिप्लिन हमें हमेशा अपने आप में रखना ज़रूरी है और ये भी ज़रूरी है कि हम अपने आप के साथ किस तरह बात करते हैं. सेल्फ टॉक इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ऐसा बहुत बार हमें महसूस होता है कि हम जब लोगों से मिलते हैं, पहली बार किसी स्ट्रेंजर से मिलते हैं, तब भी हम बहुत पोलाइट होते हैं और बहुत शालीनता से बात करते हैं, लेकिन आप देखोगे कि ऑन अ डेली बेसिस हम अपने आप के साथ किस तरह की बात करते हैं. क्या हम अपने आप के साथ रूड हैं या हम अपने आप के साथ काइंड हैं? क्या हम अपने आप को पॉजिटिव मैसेज देते हैं डेली बेसिस पे या फिर हम अपने आप को नेगेटिव मैसेज देते हैं? उसकी वजह से कहीं ना कहीं हमारा माइंडसेट नेगेटिव या पॉजिटिव होता है. तो अगर हम अपने आप को पॉजिटिव रखेंगे, पॉजिटिवली बात करेंगे, तो हम अपने एम्बिशंस को, अपने ड्रीम्स को जल्दी छू पाएंगे. तो इसी तरीके से मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप अपने माइंडसेट को पॉजिटिव रखें और जो हमारा पॉडकास्ट का मैसेज है, डिसिप्लिन इज़ मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट दैन मोटिवेशन, इस बात को ध्यान में रखते हुए आगे बढ़ें और हमारे पॉडकास्ट चैनल को भी फॉलो करें. हम अच्छे से अच्छे शोज़ करने की कोशिश करेंगे जिसमें हम ऐसे लोगों को लेके आएंगे जो लाइफ में एक अच्छी मंजिल पे पहुंच चुके हैं और इन क्वालिटीज़ को इनबिल्ट करके पहुंचे हैं. आई एम श्योर आप हमारे पॉडकास्ट चैनल को फॉलो करेंगे और हमें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मौका देंगे कि हम आगे अच्छा काम कर पाएँ. तो इसी के साथ मैं आप सबके सामने हमारे पहले गेस्ट को इनवाइट करता हूँ जो अपनी अपनी सफलता का श्रेय हमेशा ईश्वर को देते हैं और सेकेंडली उनका उद्देश्य हमारे पॉडकास्ट से रिलेटेड ही रहा है जो कि है डिसिप्लिन इज़ मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट देन मोटिवेशन. और वो एक ऐसे शख्स हैं जिन्होंने अपने सपनों को छूने के लिए कोई एक्सक्यूज़ नहीं दिया जब हर तरीके से अपने डिसिप्लिन को मेंटेन करते हुए सफलता की ऊंचाई छुई है. और इनका नाम है अक्षय कुंडू जो कि हैं स्टूडियो हीट के ओनर. और ये काफ़ी टाइम से डांस स्टूडियो चला रहे हैं जयपुर में। पहले एक दो रूम से इन्होंने शुरुआत करी जहाँ पे एक दो मेंबर्स ही आते थे, लेकिन धीरे धीरे अपनी मेहनत से, अपने डिसिप्लिन से इन्होंने एक ऐसा मुकाम पाया जहाँ से इन्होंने आज ऐसा स्टेज आ गया है कि इनकी खुद की 2 ब्रांचेज़ हैं, राजा पार्क में है और वैशाली नगर में। इसके अलावा इनके बहुत सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं, जिसमें से एक प्रोजेक्ट कुंडूशाला भी है, जिसके बारे में ये ज़रूर बताएंगे हमें। सो लेट्स वेलकम अक्षय कुंडू। हाउ आर यू अक्षय?
I'm feeling great. How are you?
Absolutely good. It is very good that you came at such a short notice, and
It's a pleasure.
it's a pleasure for us. And so I just wanted to start with this podcast by asking, like, how this entire journey started. Tell us something about your background. आपका बचपन कैसा रहा, आपकी फैमिली में कौन है, और डांस आपकी ज़िंदगी में कैसे आया?
मतलब थोड़ी फनी स्टोरी है। मतलब आई वॉज नेवर गुड एट स्टडीज़। मैं पढ़ाई में कभी भी अच्छा नहीं था। ऑल्दो ये मैसेज के थ्रू मैं ये मैसेज नहीं देना चाह रहा हूँ दैट एजुकेशन इज़ नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट। इट इज़ हाईली रिकमेंडेड, इट इज़ वेरी एसेंशियल फॉर एवरी वन टू बिकम अ गुड ह्यूमन बींग एंड टू अचीव सक्सेस इन योर लाइफ। आई फील जन्म तो ले लेते हैं पर अच्छे इंसान नहीं बन पाते, तो एजुकेशन रियली हेल्प्स यू टू ग्रो एंड बिकम अ बेटर पर्सन एंड इट गेट्स यू क्लोजर टू योर सक्सेस। डेफिनेटली 100% आई बिलीव इन दैट। हाउएवर मैं पढ़ाई में अच्छा नहीं था और मेरे को बहुत प्रॉब्लम होती थी पढ़ाई करने में, बट मैं बचपन से ही स्पोर्ट्स में बहुत अच्छा था।
Okay.
तो एनीथिंग अपार्ट फ्रॉम रीडिंग एंड लर्निंग इन टर्म्स ऑफ थ्योरी, प्रैक्टिकल्स में मैं हर चीज़ में अच्छा था, पढ़ाई में भी अच्छा था प्रैक्टिकल्स में। सो आई वॉज वेरी गुड एट स्पोर्ट्स एंड एवरीथिंग। तो आई नेवर न्यू डांस विल कम टू मी लाइक दिस, बट मैं स्पोर्ट्स था। आई प्लेड 6 to 7 स्पोर्ट्स डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल स्कूल टाइम पे।
Okay.
और स्कूल्स के पास भी एक ही रीज़न था मेरे को स्कूल में रखने का, क्योंकि मैं स्पोर्ट्स इतने सारे रिप्रेजेंट करता था स्कूल के लिए, तो दे यूज्ड टू कीप मी, अदरवाइज आई वाज वेरी बैड एट पढ़ाई basically. And then after my 10th, when my family allowed me to do something, video games का भी बहुत शौकीन था मैं, तो मम्मा ने बोला ठीक है 10th बेसिक एजुकेशन है, कंप्लीट कर लो and then you can pursue whatever you want to. तो one of my seniors, I talked to him कि पढ़ाई अगर नहीं करनी है तो क्या कर सकते हैं if you want to be successful in life. तो उन्होंने बोला एनिमेशन तब नया नया था, तो एनिमेशन यू कैन परस्यू, यू कैन, आपको पसंद क्या है, उन्होंने सबसे पहले ये पूछा मुझसे। तो मैंने बोला मेरे को गेम खेलना बहुत पसंद है। तो उन्होंने बोला व्हाई डोंट यू जॉइन एनिमेशन, यू कैन मेक गेम्स एंड यू कैन क्रिएट गेम्स, हाउ वुड यू लाइक दैट। तो मैंने बोला बहुत अच्छी बात है, ये तो बढ़िया है, बनाऊंगा और खेलूंगा, यू नो हाउ अ किड थिंक्स। तो दैट स्टार्टेड, बट दैट वाज ओनली ट्वाइस अ वीक और थ्राइस अ वीक, तो मेरे पास टाइम बहुत बच जाता था। तो डांस का शौक हमेशा से था पर कभी ऐसे किया नहीं था। तो आफ्टर माय 10th मी एंड माय फ्रेंड डिसाइडेड कि चलो डांस क्लास ज्वाइन करते हैं। एंड देन वो दिन है और आज दिन है, आई फॉरगॉट एवरीथिंग, बिकॉज आई फील बचपन से जो भी आपकी फिजिकल एक्टिविटी होती है ना, डांस में वो मतलब इट हेल्प्स यू, बिकॉज एज एन एथलीट डांसिंग कम्स ईजियर टू यू बिकॉज इट इज़ रिलेटेबली ईजी। मतलब you understand your body movement, you understand agility, you understand power, you understand coordination, hand body, hand mind coordination. So dancing in general is a fusion of art and physical abilities, right? An artistic mind, a creative mind and physical abilities, and उसमें सब cover हो जाता है I feel, because dancers are usually good at singing also. Good dancers are usually good at singing also, acting also, and creation of course, discipline. So सब कुछ आ जाता है. It was a complete package, and once I got into dance, there was nothing like it, because before dance I was a very underconfident person. Like I cannot talk to people. I cannot sit in front of people and talk confidently. होता ही नहीं था, बहुत underconfident था. कोई मतलब उस टाइम पे अगर let's say ऑपोजिट सेक्स का बहुत वो होता था कि मतलब फीमेल मेल और ये वो, तो इफ एन ऑपोजिट जेंडर इज वॉकिंग, लाइक फीमेल इज वॉकिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी, मैं अपनी गर्दन नीचे कर लेता था. आई वाज दैट अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट. So dance gave a lot of confidence to me and ability to talk to people. I'm sitting right in front of you, talking.
Yeah.
It again feels like a dream because I'm coming from a place where I used to feel so underconfident कि मैं fumble करके भी बात नहीं कर पाता था. So I'm very happy. Like this is how I got into dance. Like it was an escape from studies like initially.
Right.
But I fell in love and मेरी mom कहती है मैंने बहुत struggle किया है, but I never got to see it that way because I used to enjoy every bit of it.
Okay.
The multiple hours of practice, the multiple hours of sleepless nights,
Right.
the pain in the muscle,
Right.
waking up,
Of
and
course.
again going drilling. So everything was a joy for me because I was so passionate, I was so driven
Sure.
कि मेरे को ये सब करना है.
So
yeah.
where are you from? Like where do you belong?
So my father is a Navy man.
Okay.
So my native comes from UP, but I've traveled a lot. So because Papa Navy में थे तो initially I was in Mumbai.
Right.
Then I traveled to Hyderabad for 11 years. I stayed here, and I was Sri Swaminarayan Gurukul student.
Okay.
In Hyderabad, and then I shifted to Jaipur for some time, and then went to Delhi, then went to Goa for my higher education in dancing.
Okay.
So yeah, a lot of places, a lot of cultures, Indian.
Yeah. So whom do you think that you are most closest to in your family?
I think definitely mom.
Okay.
Definitely mom.
Sure.
And my sister now.
Okay.
But initially from childhood it has always been my mother, the closest.
Right. And if I ask you like who has been your most biggest influencer?
My mother.
Your mother.
Definite. Anything good comes in my life,
Right.
it comes because of my mother. Anything bad I do, that's because of stupid things I do. That has nothing to do with my mother. But everything good. I often say this to a lot of people, like पैदा हर कोई कर देता है, परवरिश नहीं दे पाते.
Of course.
My mother is a genius when it comes to educating children. So I learned from her a lot.
I believe mothers are mostly the biggest inspiration for everybody,
Definitely.
for every son.
Definitely.
And other than your mother, anybody in your network, maybe your friend circle, or anybody whom you have inspired from in your career, maybe in dance or in your schooling?
It's very difficult to name one because I take inspiration from almost everyone. So anything and everything moves me or inspires me. Even in the room full of class, there will be 3 to 4 people I keep looking,
Right.
है ना? And I'll be like, oh shit, इसमें ये अच्छा है, oh shit, उसमें ये अच्छा है, So it's very difficult to name a particular person.
Right.
But definitely like a lot of and everyone. Like there's no one person, so it's too difficult.
Yeah, I can understand.
But yeah, like if you say initially, now it cracks to my mind that
Right.
I think I was watching TV and उस time पे DID season 2 चल रहा था when I was in Jaipur. And I think वो शक्ति, धर्मेश और उन लोग का दौर था वो.
Right.
And that is the season I watched DID 2 वाला, and then I was like, wow, यार, dancing is so cool. Even I want to do it.
Right.
So I think those were the people
Yeah.
initially who motivated me to get out of my house and do a class.
Yeah.
Just do a class. So yeah.
That was
is
a decade where the people were influenced who were loving dancing. They were influenced by that show.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
Dharmesh was also one biggest
big
inspiration.
inspiration.
Yeah.
I think all the people in India will give a lot of credit to him.
Right.
And the like even the other people around, like I mean Shakti,
Yeah,
and I think
Shakti.
Puneet was there, and I think
Even
a lot of people.
Raghu was there. Raghu, who was the host in the show later on.
Acha,
with,
the crop crows.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Raghav.
Raghav.
Yeah.
He
Definitely gem of a guy.
Yeah,
I watch
yeah,
his interview and everything.
Yes.
Is incredible.
He's an extremely good person.
The kind of person he comes across in front of camera, and
right.
In general, the vibe of his is
Yeah,
like
definitely
very beautiful. Seems like a sorted person.
Sure.
Yeah.
So Studio Heat कैसे start हुआ?
So Studio Heat, I was never into building studios. I never wanted to own a studio. I wanted to be free like an artist is. And I wanted to do a journey, go to places, teach, and then, come home, relax. Always have been, never. So this Corona happened, you know, like COVID-19 happened, and then there was a lot of insecurities from life at that time hitting up, because you know, a lot of people questioned themselves, what if this happens again, and then you know, stability, because there's no income for this couple of 2-3 months.
Yeah.
And life was completely difficult as an artist, because there's no work at all, and how do you survive? Basic kharche to hote hi hain. And this thing, and now my body, I realize my body is young now, hai na?
Right.
What if I get
Right.
into my 40s 50s, I won't be
Yeah.
moving like I do right now.
Right.
And then what then? So I need something which is, you know, forever. Even if I dust off,
Right.
there has to be something which is there. If I want to do a different kind of journey, let's suppose dancing has been enough now,
Right.
I want to learn more, because
Yeah.
there's more to life.
Yeah.
Right? तो मेरे को लेट्स सपोज एक कोर्स करना है पैराग्लाइडिंग का, यू नो, आई वांट टू बिकम एन इंस्ट्रक्टर फॉर स्काई डाइविंग, लेट्स सपोज, यू नो, आई गेट मूव्ड, आई वांट टू डू डिफरेंट थिंग्स इन माय लाइफ आल्सो, बिकॉज डांस हो गया, इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ माय लाइफस्टाइल. सो आई वाज लाइक, मैं कैसे करूंगा, बट कर ही नहीं पाऊंगा, बिकॉज आई हैव टू गो वर्क एंड मीट द एंड ऑफ द नीड्स एंड एवरीथिंग. So that time, that thing hit me, and I think hona hi tha. And one of my friend came along. He also wanted to open something in Jaipur. So together we started at that time, and Studio Heat happened. Yeah.
So what is your purpose in life? If I ask you, like, you must have figured out by now that what drives you the most. What is something which, to my best knowledge, dance is one area which
Dance
you
is to like it has become breathing. Like मतलब I don't have to think about it. There is no stress. It has
Right.
become daily life. जैसे लोगों के लिए job होता है,
Right.
वैसे it is like a thing, but it's just, it's dance.
Yeah,
you know,
right.
but it has become a lifestyle. It doesn't excite me so much now.
Right,
कि
right.
मतलब wow, dance
Right,
and
right,
this thing. It used to, but now it has become like breathing. Like breathing
Yeah,
doesn't
yeah,
excite you,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
But it is essential for
It is
yourself.
a necessity.
It's a necessity. So
Yeah.
dance has become a lifestyle for me.
So if I ask you, because like for many of the youth, it will be a question that remains unanswered for a long time.
Yeah.
That what is their purpose of life, and
Okay.
which is so important. If somebody is able to determine it initially in their life, कि उनको जीवन में करना क्या है, अगर वो जान ले तो उनकी आगे की लाइफ सिंपल हो जाती है.
Yes.
तो इसी तरीके से क्या आपने फिगर आउट कर लिया है कि पर्पस ऑफ लाइफ है क्या आपका, आप क्या जीवन में करना चाहते हैं?
So for matlab, I'm only speaking for me. I don't want to influence anybody when I say this. This has been my journey. This is me completely being me. Okay.
Right.
This cannot work for you. This can work for you, but I don't want to get you
Right.
to get influenced to it.
Right.
So my side of story, मेरी story ये है कि you know, I have realized some things are not worth chasing for.
Right.
You know, मतलब कई बार ऐसा लगता है कि यार ये करते हैं, क्योंकि मैंने बहुत गलतियां करी है लाइफ में.
Yeah.
कि ये कर लेते हैं, वो कर लेते हैं, और जब आप करना शुरू करते हो तब आपको रियलाइज होता है कि द काइंड ऑफ सैक्रिफाइसेस यू नीड. जैसे मैं शुरू में आपको बता रहा था कि जब मैंने डांस ज्वाइन किया था, मम्मी कहती थी तू बहुत स्ट्रगल करता है, तू बहुत मेहनत करता है. पर मेरे को लगता ही नहीं था मैं स्ट्रगल और मेहनत कर रहा हूँ, बिकॉज आई वॉज सो ड्रिवन एंड पैशनेट.
Right.
तो योर स्ट्रगल्स शुड नॉट फील लाइक स्ट्रगल व्हेन यू आर डूइंग समथिंग.
Right.
तो अगर किसी भी चीज को करने में आपको ऐसे you're feeling drained, you're feeling this thing, no, I don't think it's worth doing, even if it's bringing a lot of money to you.
Right.
You know, because at the end of the day,
Right.
at the end of the day, that kind of life you have, I'm not saying don't earn money.
Right.
Please don't take me wrong. You have to earn money, but
Right.
I'm just saying that earn money
Right.
from which you can make out happiness also.
Right, right.
A very good teacher, one of my teachers, I look up to him a lot, and he has been a major credit for my talent in my industry.
Right.
So he has told me one day, you know what, Aki, he was Spanish. So you know what, Aki, that out of 10 jobs, 2 jobs you will love, 8 jobs you have to do it because you have to maintain consistency, discipline, and you have to do it because the job demands you to do it.
Right.
So not all 10 jobs you're going to love what you're doing, but you have to do, because that is what will make you a better person, a consistent person. So I'm not saying that do only what makes you happy. Do also things that doesn't make you happy but is worth being credited to.
Right.
तो जैसे कुछ jobs होती हैं जो आपको happiness नहीं दे रही, but
हाँ.
it is giving a lot of credit in terms of monetary, money wise, है ना?
हाँ, right.
तो it should be balanced. मतलब पैसा आपको उतना मिलना चाहिए जितना
Yeah.
आपका स्ट्रगल हो रहा है,
Right,
तो
right.
आप वर्थ है करने का.
हाँ.
अगर आपको लगता है कि पैसे भी कम मिल रहे हैं और झिक भी ज्यादा है, तो मत करो.
That
You
is-
know, find peace. You rather
Sure.
be on your bed, relax,
Hmm.
and enjoy,
Right.
or even if not enjoy, relax.
Sure.
Heal yourself. Do something creative, or think how you can be more creative in coming days, or how you can earn money,
Sure.
rather than wasting your time in something which is not worth it.
Right.
But if you do not have an option, I would recommend go and do whatever.
Right.
जो भी मिलता है
हाँ,
करो.
sure.
अगर if you don't have a vision, if you're confused,
Hmm.
do whatever you can. This is only for the people who have options.
Right.
Don't get distracted, basically.
That is the best way to put at, because this question has been answered very well by you.
Yeah.
Otherwise, to add to what you have said, I believe that if we have to decide what we want to do, we should figure out something where even if we are not earning anything
Yeah.
and still we are passionate about it,
Yeah.
that can be our purpose of life. Like if you're not getting a single penny by doing that,
Yeah.
and still you are enjoying,
Yeah.
so
I mean,
that must be
enjoyment, a
something.
lot of people, I think there's a misconception, a lot of people think that making money is the only exchange. No, it's not the only
Right.
exchange. Some things give you a lot of, let's suppose if we talk about relationships, right?
Right.
There's no money involved,
Right.
but you get so much love.
Of
You're
course.
so happy, you're driven in
course.
good relationships, I'm
Sure,
saying,
sure.
you know, and your mother doesn't pay you
Yeah.
to love her, or you don't pay your mother to
Right,
love.
right.
So not everything is exchanged by money.
Of course.
The things you do for money, but the things you have to make sure
Right.
that you are also ready to leave the things which give you money
हाँ.
to do
Hmm.
the things which make you happy.
Right.
You should be conscious enough. अगर 3 जॉब कर ली
हाँ,
है ना पैसों के लिए,
हाँ.
तो 1 या 2 जॉब निकालो उसके लिए जिसमें
हाँ.
तुम्हें खुशी मिलती हो. You know,
Right.
like find that little 1-2 hour of your life
Right.
which is actually like, let's suppose dancing has become a normal thing for me now.
Yeah.
It is like breathing.
Right.
So what excites me these days, playing football excites me.
Okay.
So sometimes what happens, work come up फुटबॉल के टाइम पे रात को,
Right.
बट आई मेड इट डिसिप्लिन कि ठीक है काम तो आते ही रहेगा, एंड आई एम अर्निंग इनफ
Right.
टू हैव माई मील, राइट?
Great.
अब उतना भी क्या कमाना कि मैं 1 घंटा उस चीज के लिए ना निकाल पाऊं जिससे
हाँ.
मेरे को मजा आता है,
Of course.
जिससे मेरे को खुशी मिलती है, राइट? सो
Right.
आई वुड से दैट इफ यू आर वर्किंग 6 hours टू
हाँ.
अर्न मनी, 1-2 घंटे फिर अपने लिए भी समय निकालो.
Right. Right. Balance होना चाहिए.
हाँ, मतलब थोड़ा बहुत तो होना ही चाहिए
Right.
इनिशियली,
So-
when you're comfortable.
Right. So
When
if I ask you, like, what has been your 3 magical moments of life?
I think it is. Can you elaborate this question?
Like
मतलब?
the moments which you have, which has rejoiced you a lot. मतलब ऐसे moments जो आपको unexpected खुशी दी है. You were not expecting that happiness to come, लेकिन वो आपकी लाइफ में आई और उससे आपको असीम खुशी मिली.
I think one of it is dance. I never expected to become a dancer. I never expected to do gymnastics in life. I think all the good things which has come to me, I never wanted to become a contemporary dancer. My base is contemporary. I do all kind of dancing.
Okay.
My base is contemporary. All the things which I didn't wanted to do in life, and I happened to do it.
Right.
Because of some external force like my mother, my teacher,
Right.
you know, my friends influenced me into something. I think they've brought this happiness in my life because I was able to achieve things which I couldn't, which I thought was not possible, basically.
Right.
So I think that joy when you're not expecting
Sure.
things to happen and it happens, I think they are so unreal. It's, I think, the major 3, I think I would say first is dancing. Second, I never thought I would end up being in a relationship. I think when I was very young. So I think second was that, because it was so unreal for me that, okay, I'm dating someone. So I think second was that. I've been very constantly happy, like for a couple of years. I'm very happy in my life.
Right.
Consistently. I'm not saying there are no up and downs, but there's a nice line of consistency of happiness.
Right.
So it's very difficult to remember the big moments, but dance and I think this is
Relationship.
definitely relationships of all kinds.
Right.
My friends, my parents,
Right.
my girlfriend, of course, and
Sure.
yeah, definitely.
So what is freedom to you? If I ask you like freedom, आप freedom के बारे में क्या सोचते हैं?
I think the ability to choose. So let's suppose if I have two different types of cup to drink the coffee in,
Right.
ठीक है, my ability that I have four, you know, not my ability, the choice that I have, that चार में से कोई एक भी उठा सकते हो, and all lead to different type of
Hmm.
aesthetics or look or whatever you call it. Okay, the
Hmm.
coffee is same, right?
Right.
The ability to choose what is more nicer for you at that current time, because
Right.
it keeps changing,
Right.
right? So I think that is.
So have you ever came across a situation जहाँ पे आपको ऐसा महसूस हुआ कि आपको फ्रीडम चाहिए थी लेकिन आपको मिल नहीं पाई, या फिर ऐसा कोई इंसिडेंट, या फिर आप कभी ऐसा महसूस करें हैं अपने लाइफ में कि क्योंकि आप इस एनवायरनमेंट में हो, फॉर एग्जांपल ऐसे एनवायरनमेंट में हो, या फिर फॉर एग्जांपल ऐसे मे बी कंट्री में हो या ऐसे स्कूल में हो, किसी एक एक्सटर्नल कारण की वजह से आपको वो फ्रीडम चुनने का मौका नहीं मिला, ऐसा आपको कभी महसूस हुआ?
आई थिंक बहुत पहले होता था व्हेन आई वाज अ टीनेजर 16 17, बट मतलब ये क्वेश्चन मेरे को बहुत थोड़ा सा वो कर रहा है, बिकॉज नाउ आई रियलाइज आई हैव नेवर एक्चुअली फेल्ट दैट काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग, नॉट दैट आई रिमेंबर, because I don't think I focus on that aspect of this thing. Let's
Right.
suppose आज coffee नहीं मिली ना,
Right,
तो
right.
I'll be like अरे यार coffee नहीं मिली, coffee नहीं, I'm not that kind of a
Okay,
person.
right.
So I'll be like चाय मिल गई यार, वाओ यार आज चाय मिल गई.
Yeah.
You know, so
You're
I've
flexible.
always हाँ मतलब I've always been in that side of a vision.
Right.
And from I think बहुत कम एज से I've been practicing this life to always see the good side of the picture, because there's a lot of good.
Right.
एंड मेरे टीचर ने मेरे को बहुत मतलब एक किसी ने मेरे टीचर ने बोला था, एक टीचर ने, कि यू नो दैट ह्यूमंस आर व्हाट डू यू से डिजाइंड टू रिमेंबर ट्रॉमा.
Right.
सो पूरे सफेद दीवार पे काला टीका दिखता है, राइट?
हाँ.
वाइस वर्सा, काले दीवार पे सफेद टीका भी दिखेगा, मतलब जो
Right.
कम होता है वो ज्यादा हाईलाइट होता है, दैट इज वेरी नॉर्मल.
Sure.
सो आई वाज लाइक देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ गुड
Right.
which I don't see. So I've started noticing the good sides more. तो बहुत टाइम से ही you know like I don't focus on कि मेरे को freedom नहीं मिली, मैं उसी चीज में freedom ढूंढ लेता हूँ कहीं ना कहीं. Let's suppose एक family function है, I think Gen Zs को बहुत relate होगा. Family function है जिसमें जाने का मन नहीं है,
Right.
ठीक है? तो I was like अब जाना ही है,
हाँ.
you know. So I would rather enjoy it rather than cribbing it.
Sure.
So I'll make the most of it. Okay, what can I do? Okay, let me make a story. Let me have some cool conversations with my relatives, or
Right.
you know, let me try to have the most of what I can.
Sure.
So I've always been that person that who's entering in a place and I'll be like, ठीक है अब आ गए ना, let's make the most of it.
तो इसका ये मतलब हुआ कि आपके मदर मस्ट बी वेरी हैप्पी कि
Oh.
you are not so demanding child.
That I don't know. I think my mother can answer that, but I'm very proud a son.
Right.
Like I think if it wasn't for my mother,
Right.
I might have been a gunda.
Okay.
In my life, my mother gave me a lot of perspective in life, a lot of understanding of
Right.
you know, which is making me a happy man now.
Right. In any case, artists in most manner they are quite rebellious also. They
Yeah.
have larger than life personalities. So it is no wonder that either one can go into a positive direction or maybe negative
Definitely.
direction.
So I consider myself gifted.
Right.
I consider myself मतलब जो लोगों को आई थिंक 1 महीना या 2 हफ्ते लगते हैं करने के लिए, वो मेरे लिए एक दिन में मैं बहुत आई एम वेरी competitive.
Right.
I'm very like ऐसे ऐसे देख के and फटाफट I want to be good at it, you know.
Right.
And that is why I became what I became. I really became good at my skill because I was very competitive.
Sure.
And I think all the top notch people are competitive, otherwise you can't make it. But
Of
there's a
course.
healthy competition, of course.
Right, right.
So I think your question again was?
So basically, your freedom to life
हाँ,
is
so
like you don't take freedom you don't perceive freedom in that manner.
Extremist, मतलब या तो ये बन सकते हैं या तो वो बन सकते हैं. I definitely believe that. That is why I'm saying कि मैं गुंडा बन जाता because I was gifted. तो मैं ordinary गुंडा तो नहीं बनता, but मतलब मैं बहुत बोलता हूँ ये. तो एक आदमी होता है जिसके ऊपर पावर होती है ना, then there's a choice to become a super villain or a super hero.
Right.
इन्फ्लुएंस अच्छे के लिए बुरे के लिए दोनों के लिए यूज होता है. अ पर्सन हु कैन इन्फ्लुएंस हैज द पावर टू यूज इट आइदर वेज.
श्योर. विद पावर कम्स ग्रेट रिस्पांसिबिलिटी.
ऑफ कोर्स सब्जेक्ट टू.
राइट. सो इफ अगर डांस नहीं होता आपकी लाइफ में तो आप क्या करियर में जाते?
इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट बट आई थिंक आई वुड हैव बीन एन एथलीट और गुंडा.
So what is your turning point? If I ask you like life का turning point क्या रहा जहाँ से?
I think हॉस्टल में मैं 4th क्लास की उम्र से हॉस्टल में था and मैंने हॉस्टल में ना when people are young, no, they're very कि लड़ लेंगे ऐसे कैसे बोल दिया this thing that thing. Not 4th क्लास की उम्र में, I'm talking about when I was in 7th, 8th, 9th, you know. So there was a point of time. So I represented Shutokan, a martial art form, all India level 3rd. Okay. I was there. So I was a fighter from the age 3. मम्मा ने मेरे को डाल दिया था कि सीखो. तो I was very at a point of time when I was young, I was very corky, very egoistic. मतलब इतना egoistic hostel में that अगर मैं बोल रहा हूँ दिन को रात है तो तुम रात ही बोलो वरना मैं चाटा मारूंगा types, you know. Okay. I was that kind of a person and my life was miserable at that time. मेरे को रॉड लेके सोना पड़ता था रात को क्योंकि the best way to beat someone is when they are in sleep because they are powerless. Right. तो सोते हुए ही सबसे ज्यादा डर होता था कि कभी भी कोई आके मार दे और पिटाई कर दे और ये सब कर दे क्योंकि और गैंग्स बन जाते थे हॉस्टल में, ग्रुप्स बन जाते थे when you have this kind of energy कि मैं किसी को सॉरी नहीं बोलूंगा, ये नहीं करूंगा, you know. तो you make enemies very soon. Right. And I was so basically वहाँ पे मेरा एक दोस्त था Jitendra Jain. Okay. He was the turning point in my life in Gurukul. Okay. What happened was this person was a friend of the people we used to not like and friend of ours, the only person in the school. Okay. जो दोनों side था. Okay. तो होता क्या था, people like me when people like गुंडाज एंड ऑल, यू नो, व्हेन दे वॉकिंग टच कर दिया तो मैं क्यों सॉरी बोलूं, चाहे गलती मेरी हो, अरे कैसे टकरा गया टाइप्स, यू नो, होता है ना. देन दिस गाय को अगर जैसे टकरा दो ना, ही यूज्ड टू अरे सॉरी भाई, ही यूज्ड टू से अरे यार सॉरी भाई, यू नो. एंड ऑल ऑफ अ सडन देयर इज नो दिस थिंग, सो एवरीबॉडी यूज्ड टू बी हैप्पी. जब स्कूल खत्म होने वाला था तब सबसे ज्यादा गर्मी होती थी, कोई भी मार देता था क्योंकि कंप्लेन किसको करोगे, अब तो स्कूल खत्म होने वाला है. उस टाइम पे वो फैल के सोता था, नो स्ट्रेस, नथिंग, सब दोस्त हैं उसके. एंड दैट वाज माय टर्निंग पॉइंट. आई वाज लाइक आई वांट टू बिकम दिस पर्सन because this isn't worth it. Of course. And of course it was little difficult when I moved out of my hostel and I had to move out of my hostel. मतलब पीक हो गया था, मेरे को लग रहा था 1 साल और रहूंगा यहाँ पे, मैं खत्म हो जाऊंगा टाइप्स. तो I was like मैं बाहर निकला and then I practiced every single day when that ego hit me in a wrong way. Every day, every small little thing, big little thing, and then practice karte karte now it's become a basic nature. I'm very apologetic to people, even if even I had no conscience in hurting them or this thing. I'm very comfortable with saying sorry or putting down their you know, गुस्सा. रोड पे भी रोड रेज बहुत नॉर्मल हो जाता है, लोग बोलते हैं अरे क्या कर, अरे सॉरी भैया. आई हैव बिकम जितेंद्र जैन नाउ. सो I'm very happy. I've been practicing, I think, good things in my life from a young age, and I experienced the sadness, badness, or whatever you call it, na, bachpan mein. So when I got to an actual outside life, I was able to live a life which was worth living for.
So basically, जैसे कहते हैं कि संगत का असर होता है.
Yeah. Definitely.
You got the best companion.
Best. And I'm very happy कि वो सारी चीजें ना मेरे बचपन में मैंने वो जर्नी कर ली, ताकि I understand it's not worth it. Right. तो अब मेरा मन भी नहीं करता लड़ाई झगड़ा वगैरह करने का, because I know where it will put me at the end of the day. So I have all the abilities. It's not like I can't fight, but it's not worth it because your peace of mind goes away. Sure. Everything goes away. And 90% of the people don't want to fight you. 95%. Right. I say don't want to fight you. Yeah. They're just caught up in a bad moment.
Sure.
So if you say sorry, it's all sorted.
It is just the heat of the moment which
Yeah.
invites problem.
Nobody wants
Nobody
stress.
wants.
Nobody wants quarrel unless and until you're very dark.
Right.
You know.
So what problems you have faced in your profession, as in over a period of time, while pursuing your career in dance or maybe in any other profession you wanted to get into, did you find any difficulty?
So dance gave me a lot of confidence also because I became very good at it. So anytime I used to enter a class, I wanted to become the best, but not in a negative way, in a healthy competitive way. Not that I want my friends to fall down, break their knee, and this thing, that thing. It's just
Right.
that I want to do better. I
Right.
want to be good. You know, I
Right.
had that fire inside me that I want to. If someone looks at me, they should feel like, wow, yeah, what a mover.
Right.
Wow, yeah, what he does and all. So at that time, I think because I was the best in the class and a lot of classes, I automatically knew what I am and where I belong. And and I think I was trained in a right time when there was a trend of training,
Okay.
you know, and I was trained very isolatedly in Goa, where there was no signal, no phone, to distraction, for
Right.
distraction and everything. So बहुत हार्डकोर ट्रेनिंग होती थी हमारी, 6 घंटे की ट्रेनिंग होती थी, सुबह योगा होता था, जिम होता था, फिर रात को आके हम एक दूसरे को मसाज वगैरह करते थे,
Okay.
सोते थे, उठते थे, फिर ट्रेनिंग होती थी.
Right.
You know, there was no party, there was nothing, and this was straight 2 years
Okay.
back to back. तो मेरी प्रॉपर जो ट्रेनिंग हुई थी उसके बाद में when I got into outside world, I was automatically feeling that I'm one of the finest.
तो ये जो ट्रेनिंग आप बता रहे हैं, ये ट्रेनिंग आपने स्पेसिफिकली डांस के लिए ली थी?
Yeah, definitely. So बीच में because मेरे को पढ़ाई नहीं करनी थी, तो my mom said ठीक है चल एनिमेशन कर ले. She was very supportive.
Right.
Although letting everybody know I'm an educated person. I have done my BBA and I've done my I have done my MBA kind of. It is subject to knowing, but I'm an educated person. मेरी society, मेरी dance society में जितने भी लोग थे, they were highly educated. मुझे पहले English बिल्कुल भी नहीं आती थी, but मैं उस era में born हुआ था जहाँ पे English बोलने वालों को बहुत fancy किया जाता था, you know.
Yeah, right.
So I've always had this kick to यार English बोलते हैं, because I've never, मेरे को आती ही नहीं थी, क्योंकि 100 लोग में वो ये ना सफेद बोर्ड में काला टीका और काले बोर्ड पे सफेद टीका दिखता है,
Right.
तो वो सफेद टीका इंग्लिश बोलने वाले लोग थे उस जमाने में,
Of course.
तो बहुत अलग लगते थे. एंड आई वाज ऑलवेज बीन दैट पर्सन दैट आई वांट टू लुक गुड,
Right.
I want to look amazing, I want to look exceptional. So that is why it drove me to also learn how to talk in English.
Right.
And now it has become, I know I make a lot of grammatical mistakes,
Right.
but I got in a habit of speaking in English no matter what,
Right.
because I was very moved by it back then. Now I'm not saying English is more important than Hindi or any other language. I think all the languages are equally important. It's just when you were born उस time पे क्या trend चल रहा था, you know, and that is how you,
Right.
आपकी परवरिश वैसे ही हो जाती है. So there is no right or wrong.
Right. तो ये गोवा में कहाँ पे है ये ट्रेनिंग का जो आपने किया?
गोवा में it is at near Tito's Lane, but I cannot say the name of the studio
Okay.
or anything else because
Okay. Right.
it is, हाँ मतलब I cannot.
Surely.
हाँ.
No problem.
हाँ.
So basically, it is just that what you want to send out the message is that the youth should not be distracted. If they want to aspire for anything in life, उनको एक दिशा में focused रहना चाहिए.
But I think distraction is not the, मतलब you cannot be distracted or be concentrated.
Right.
You're getting? So when you're moved that you want to do something, you have an ultimatum, you do not have a choice.
Right.
Because for me, if I don't make a career in animation or dancing,
Right.
it was studies for me. And I was very sure I don't want to do theoretic. However, I did end up doing studies in dancing also. There's a lot to learn. I'm sorry for my pronunciation. Sometimes it happens. Anatomy.
Anatomy.
Anatomy study, and a lot of pressure points and this thing. A lot of things you have to study,
Right.
and the technical words for your technical abilities, right? And there are written exams also. So I end up studying those also.
Okay.
But if I was forced to study, I don't think I could have concentrated, because that is not where I was motivated to.
Right.
So I don't think distraction exists. I only think that there's just a lack of exposure for the people to know what they're moved to.
Right.
कि यार ये करना है यार, आई एम श्योर अब ये करना ही है. So there were low moments in my life too where I felt कि छोड़ देते हैं यार dancing.
Right.
But I had no other option.
Yeah.
Right. And the sunkiness I had कि लगना है तो best लगना है types gave me quality, gave me drills, gave me consistent मेहनत मिरर के सामने घंटों practice करना कि भाई सबसे अच्छा करना है.
Right.
And I had no other career option. I did not do that.
Right.
बीच में आए थे acting के भी options आए थे और उस चीज़ के आए थे. But at that time I believed कि नहीं, मैं distract होऊंगा तो distract होते ही जाऊंगा. Because मैं एक बार already animation से distract हो चुका हूँ, studies से distract हो चुका हूँ, है ना. मेरे को नहीं करना है तो ऐसे तो जिंदगी भर मैं भागते ही रहूंगा. तो I stuck to it, and because I stuck to it, I became this.
आपकी persistence help करी आपको, क्योंकि आपने कभी भी हार नहीं मानी. So
Yes,
not
yes.
quitting is the only option.
Yes, definitely.
So like what are the reasons you think कि लोग अपने सपनों को नहीं छू पाते या सपनों को ट्राई नहीं करते?
I think बाहर नहीं निकल पाते. सबका फैमिली बैकग्राउंड एक नहीं होता. और मतलब बहुत करोड़ों रीजंस होते हैं. कई बार वैसा टीचर नहीं मिलता.
Right.
जो आपको वो पर्सपेक्टिव, मुझे ऐसा लगता है बीज में तो वो क्वालिटी होती है. लेट्स सपोज यू गेट अ रियली हाई ब्रीडेड बीज,
Right.
है ना,
Right.
सीड, है ना.
Right.
बट अगर खाद में वो क्वालिटी ही नहीं है जो आपको पार्टनरशिप में लेके जा पा रहा है टू मेक द बिगेस्ट ट्री ऑफ ऑल.
Right.
हाउ डू यू थिंक मेसी बिकेम मेसी?
Yeah. Obviously, coach.
Messi, मतलब he had incredible talent, but the place, the management team, the sales team, everything coming together to make a name.
Actually.
Why do you think Studio Heat is working so good? It's not just me. It is all the instructors working consistently,
Right.
putting khad in that beach.
Sure.
To make it grow.
Teamwork.
Because it is a part, मतलब एक नाम एक ब्रांड का होता है. कभी भी कोई भी देखेगा तो वो यही बोलेगा ना, वाओ यार कितना सुंदर पेड़ है. कोई ये थोड़ा ना बोलेगा क्या सुंदर खाद डाली थी.
Right.
या बीज कितना बढ़िया होगा. lot of less people, but जब कोई पेड़ को कॉम्प्लीमेंट कर रहा है ना, तो you should get in a habit of understanding वो आप ही को कॉम्प्लीमेंट कर रहा है. खाद को भी समझ जाना चाहिए मेरा कॉम्प्लीमेंट है, बीज को, रूट्स को भी समझ जाना चाहिए मुझे बोल रहा है. पेड़ हम सब हैं. मतलब you don't have to make it कि उसको बोला, हम ही हैं. सब हम ही हैं. हाँ, तो कोई मेरी तारीफ करता है तो ऑटोमेटिकली मेरी टीम की तारीफ करता है, और कोई मेरी टीम की तारीफ करता है ऑटोमेटिकली मेरी तारीफ करता है. There has been incidents, people come up to say, like my kids are better teacher, and I'm smiling out of joy.
Of course.
Because, and people say please don't take offense. मैं बोला none taken.
Of course.
A teacher to feel that joy that some people view them as better than me because they have inspired them like I have inspired them. Right? How beautiful is that? So now I am not responsible to move everyone around.
Okay, sure.
So if I have the ability to move 10 people at the same time, now because my team is so strong, I can move 100 people because I have 10 stronger. So I think it's matter of perspective at the end of the day. That's how you.
एक गुरु को तो यही अच्छा लगेगा कि उनके शिष्य आगे बढ़े.
अच्छे गुरु को. Secure गुरु को.
Right. So how do you think you can improve life of people around you?
I think I don't know, like my mother did for me, definitely. So because I feel few things which works in life, or agar anyone around me, my friend, my senior, my junior, my students, anybody is struggling from those things, which I was able to conquer and had a better vision at it.
Right.
I just sit and say that okay, you can look at this thing in this way also, right? So that the misery is gone, so that now you're clear. कई बार क्या होता है, मतलब कचरा आसपास ऑक्यूपाई हो जाता है तो डस्टी हो जाता है. जैसे बरसात के मौसम में वो ओस हो जाती है ना, तो आपको ढंग से दिख नहीं पाता.
Right.
I want to be that wiper in front of people, who just clears the fog, and you can
Yeah.
see what you can, because at the end of the day they have to do it.
Of course.
I just help them see it clear. And that is all you can do, I think, around you. You cannot take credit for someone's success,
Right.
because everybody come to you because of a reason.
Right.
And there's a proper exchange. You're doing it because I love doing it.
Right.
I love when people come to me and ask me, but not on social media, in real time.
That is the best way
Yeah.
to put. I believe that आप जो भी बता रहे हैं उसमें काफ़ी wisdom है, and it will definitely help the youth to cultivate that quality of wiseness. Because आपकी जो भी जर्नी रही है अभी तक, जिस तरह से आपने सारी बातें बताई है, इससे ये पता चलता है कि आपके अंदर काफ़ी विवेक आ गया है. Like you are a wise person, and that is very important for this generation to have. So, by the way, like, do you have any pet?
Yeah, I have a golden retriever. His name is Sexa.
Okay.
So, yeah.
कितना टाइम हो गया आपको उसके साथ?
It's been 3 years. He's a 3-year-old baby. Yeah.
So he must be very close to you.
Yeah, very close. Like my beach mein, I think I've become so much free in my life. I was everywhere, and traveling like typical artist and all.
Right.
So at a moment I started feeling that I don't think I'm a responsible person, because I started feeling that I don't take responsibility for my things, because किसी भी एक चीज का अति होने लगता है कई बार, फिर आपको
Right.
realize होता है कि अरे you have to find that balance in life.
Yeah,
You
sure.
have to be aware to
course.
not get, दूध ज्यादा पी लोगे तो दिक्कत है, कुछ भी
Right.
ज्यादा, अमृत ज्यादा पी लोगे तो जहर है, वो वाली बात है.
Excess of
है ना?
everything.
Everything,
is
हाँ
bad.
हाँ. So तो मेरे को लगा, I think I should, and I was very fond of dogs, and my mom used to hate dogs, so I couldn't ever had a dog, because again, it's my father's house, it's my mother's house. So the moment I started living on my own, because my parents live in outskirt and I have to live in city to work.
Right.
So like me and my sister collectively took a decision that le lete hain. And I took it, and initially it was very difficult, because when he's young, he keeps peeing after every half an hour, 45 minutes,
Right.
So it was a disaster. But then I am so proud of myself of, being responsible, doing something, loving him. It takes a lot. Golden River जिसके पास भी होगा ना, वो relate कर पाएंगे. कभी भी कार में लेके जाते हैं ना, पूरी कार फर हो जाती है, फरी हो जाती है, and it takes a lot to take him everywhere, and I try to do that, even if it troubles me a little bit.
Right.
But I try to take him. I play football, I take him along with me. So he plays his own thing, we play football, उसकी भी outing हो जाती है, car rides, I go to sometimes party and all, resorts वगैरह, I make sure that I take him, even if he थोड़ा बहुत 19-20 होता है, but because of that consistency, शुरू में ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम होती थी, अब उसको भी समझ आ गया है कैसे रहना है,
Right.
और मुझे भी समझ आ गया है उसके साथ कैसे रहना है, तो this it has become a nice partnership. It is annoying at some times, of course, but it's
Right.
worth it. It's totally worth it.
वैसे भी इंडिया में पेट्स बहुत लोगों को पसंद है.
हाँ,
And
definitely.
you are actually promoting the life with pets.
Yes.
How it can be so great.
I think अगर किसी को मतलब पेट पसंद है, और किसी को like अभी सुपरमैन आई है, तो I think a lot of people are seeing that movie and feeling like we want a dog. I would sincerely suggest adopt a stray. Indie dogs are very smart.
Right.
As smart as golden retrievers, because उन पे proper tests वगैरह नहीं हुए हैं, तो I think उनकी IQ level अभी describe नहीं करते हैं लोग, but indie dogs are very good.
Right.
And the reason I have a golden retriever, not because I have bought it or this thing, मेरे student के पास था और उनका baby हुआ था, तो उन्होंने मुझे, because I was fond of it, they gifted me, so I adopted a dog. Otherwise अगर मेरे को लेना होता तो we would have gone for a stray.
Right.
If Sexa wasn't in the picture, we would have
Right.
gone for a stray. Give them a better life,
Sure.
rather than like just, and their indie dogs are more inclined to our climate also. So any which ways, if I want to pass the right message, just because I'm saying I have a golden retriever,
Right.
doesn't mean you should also have a golden retriever. Any dog will bring joy to you.
Right. So any myth in the industry, in the dancing industry, that you want to debunk? any myth
I
जो
think a lot of
गलतफहमियां हैं?
a lot of beginners feel after seeing classes कि हमारे को थोड़ा बहुत आना चाहिए तब जाके हम डांस क्लास आएंगे, और फॉर वर्कशॉप्स पीपल थिंक यार ये करने के लिए तो आना चाहिए, नहीं, आने के लिए ही तो आप ज्वाइन करते हो.
Right.
So I think the first step of what you need to do is just enter the class.
Right.
Just enter the class and it's a journey.
Right.
धीरे धीरे सीख जाओगे आप.
Right.
1-2 दिन में आपको रियलाइज हो जाता है, तीसरा दिन, चौथा दिन, पांचवा दिन, 1 महीने में तो मेजर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन अच्छी आपकी हो जाती है एक अच्छी क्लास में.
Right.
नोटिसेबल डिफरेंस आ जाता है. सो आई थिंक गिव गुड एटलीस्ट मिनिमम टू मिनिमम अ मंथ और recommended 3 months.
Right.
Give it if you want to try something. Don't go 1 or 2 days to try out things and believe that it's not working out. एक दो दिन में तो आप शहर चेंज करते हो, वहाँ भी सेटल नहीं हो पाते, तो नया स्किल कैसे सीखोगे?
Patience is important.
Yeah, definitely.
So anything, any lessons that you have learned hard way and you still remember in your journey? Any lessons that you have learned and it has changed your life?
I think I've learned to when I have an option. Let's
Right.
suppose when I have an option. Let's suppose I was working in Mumbai. I worked for Dance Divane, and there was a time good money and good place to work with. Working with stars, working with contestants. Contestants. Working with contestants and all. So at that time, because I had a choice and my outbringing was I wanted to become a trainer.
Right.
Not firstly a choreographer. I am a choreographer, but firstly my resonance is an instructor or trainer. So that life was taking away this part of my life, which was the root of my happiness, teaching, right? So I realized that even if sometimes the fame or money is too big, you have to understand what is more valuable to you.
Right.
Your long-term happiness or your long-term trauma.
Right.
What will add what? Will it keep adding happiness to my life or will it keep consistently? Because अगर मैं वो काम करता हूँ ना तो मेरे को वैसा ही काम मिलेगा.
Right.
Because जो आप काम करते हो उसी से काम मल्टीप्लाई होते रहता है.
Yeah.
और मैं ये काम करूँगा तो इनिशियली हो सकता है putting up studio initially was a lot of investment, a lot of crying, a lot of pocket emptying, draining yourself, and there's no much reward, especially in Jaipur.
Right.
But eventually, what kept me going is because I always knew this will work out, because I'm on a right path, and this will keep adding happiness to me because I'm doing what is making me. पैसा तो आ ही जाएगा.
Right.
इसमें बस थोड़ी लेट आएगा.
Sure.
इसमें अभी आ जाएगा. Right? The sooner you start, the sooner you realize that long term में क्या beneficial है, you start doing it, and I think पौधा पेड़ बन ही जाता है.
तो कुछ आप अपने नेक्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट्स के बारे में बताइए, जो जैसे आपने पहले भी बताया था कुंडूशाला के बारे में
जी.
और इसके अलावा कुछ और पाइपलाइन में है जो आप
नहीं, आई
आगे
थिंक
करना
द
चाहते हैं?
बिगेस्ट ड्रीम, आई थिंक ये सबका ही ड्रीम होता होगा. आई थिंक जो भी प्रॉपर ट्रेनर्स है, जो मुझे मिला है मुझे देना है टाइप्स. तो बिकॉज ऑफ द फास्ट लाइफ दीज डेज हैव वर्कशॉप का दौर चल रहा है, देयर इज नो ट्रेनिंग का दौर. आई वांट पुट अ रेजिडेंसी प्रोग्राम इन द बिजनेस
Okay.
वेयर पीपल आर स्टेइंग एट दैट प्लेस. And I would start it with a month program, then shift it to 3 months, 6 months, and then yearly program. Healing, promotions, skills, dancing skills,
Right.
everything involved. Because कई बार लगता है being a good dancer is enough. No, being a good dancer will make you a good dancer, will not sell you.
Right.
And you are, matlab, a dancer is not so rich, not everyone is so rich that they can hire a promotional team, they can hire professionals of every
Professionals,
field. So
right.
you need to do your own work. You need to know how to do sales, you need to
Right.
do you need to understand how to make edits, you need
Right.
to know how to put yourself out there, you
Right.
need to know how to sit in a business meeting and crack the deal,
Right.
right? And on top of everything, you have to be an exceptional dancer as well.
Right.
So वो तो है ही, केक तो है ही, पर केक को बेचना भी तो आना चाहिए जब
Right.
आपका केक अच्छा है. तो everything, my dream is healing basically. सब लोग ट्रेनिंग करवाते हैं बट हीलिंग नहीं करवाते. My
Right.
dream is residency program so that they're not distracted off phones.
Right.
रेजिडेंसी प्रोग्राम वहीं रहो, सुबह उठो, do yoga, do gym, then get into a dance class
Right.
for different classes, not
Right.
just particular style, different styles, so that you become a athletic body
Right.
which is not restricted to any form
Right. Right.
but only open to movement and more exploration, because at end of the day it's a dance form, it's open to creativity, and every individual can bring uniqueness.
Right.
It's fusion at the end of the day. So I believe creating a residency program where I can transform what people used to be,
Right.
and when they come out of it, how completely different they have changed. And
Right.
once you've tasted that blood,
Right.
people will fall in love with training so much because it never goes away.
एंड अक्षय, हाउ आर यू मोटिवेटेड ड्यूरिंग टफ टाइम्स? मतलब लाइफ में अप एंड डाउन तो सबके आते हैं, तो आप अपने आप को कैसे पुश करते हो फॉर अ बेटर यू एवरी डे?
So I find, so every time I get low, I isolate myself. This works for me. For a lot of people, I think it works when they're sharing with someone,
राइट.
right? But for me, it works isolating myself, closing my eyes, and realizing, am I doing what I should have been doing?
राइट.
Okay, is my work enough? क्या मैंने सही काम करा है? क्या मैं और push कर सकता हूँ? First, I have these conversations with me. Then I say, logically ये work करना चाहिए क्या? जिस पाथ पे मैं हूँ ये मुझे कहाँ ले जाएगा?
Right.
ठीक है. So then I calculate that, is it just a low time or this is going to stay for low?
Right.
मतलब इसमें कोई उतार है ही नहीं.
Right. Right.
ये ऐसा ही रहेगा क्या? The sooner I realize it's just a low time and any which ways you're working good and everything is fine,
Right.
पेड़ बन रहा है
Right.
ना, मतलब बनते बनते ही बनेगा, है ना.
Yeah.
And I see my future self, because what I'm living right now is a dream for me when I was 18 or 20. अगर मेरे को तब आके मैं ही बोलता कि तू ऐसी लाइफ जिएगा और ये होगा वो होगा, मतलब मेरे पास विशाल जी 3 रुपए नहीं होते थे परिवार के पास ना. 3 रुपए स्टूडेंट का बस का किराया लगता था झोटवाड़ा से बनी पार्क आने के लिए. बनी पार्क
Okay.
मेरे डांस क्लास थी,
Okay.
तो वो नहीं होते थे कभी कभी. तो मम्मी बोलती थी कि मेरी गाड़ी में स्कूटी में पेट्रोल डला हुआ है, ठीक है, तू आज की क्लास तो कैसे भी चले जा क्योंकि डला हुआ है पेट्रोल.
Right.
आज 3 रुपए नहीं है कि हम किराया दे सके,
Right.
देख लेंगे कल का कल. माई मदर इज ऑल्सो वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग वुमन, शी टेक्स गुड बोल्ड डिसीजंस.
So you've come a long way, which it's like seems that
It's a
बहुत
dream in
नीचे-
terms of
हाँ.
my confidence, in terms of I'm doing good, I get good meal, and I have a basic nice, I'm happy with my lifestyle, I'm happy, I have choices in life
Right.
to consistently make. So it is a dream any which ways.
Right.
To own a studio,
Yeah, of course.
my god, it is a dream.
Actually.
And which is working.
And in a
Which is
in a
working.
creative world
Yeah.
itself, like owning something in terms of business is different than a creative work. I believe creative work is more challenging. Obviously everything has challenges, but acquiring any skill and then owning a business out of it is very difficult.
Definitely. And it has always been a dream. Like
Yeah.
मैंने तो कभी सोचा भी नहीं था.
Right.
Again, you said no, 3 top moments.
Right.
जो वो, I think owning a studio is the third one.
Yes.
I've already said 2.
Right.
Owning a studio because मैंने कभी करना ही नहीं था मुझे.
Right.
मैंने किया.
हाँ.
And now जब मैं अपने स्टूडियो जाता हूँ मेरे को realize होता है यार, I'm the owner.
Yeah.
You know ये मेरा studio है. It is
Yeah.
so unreal till
Right.
now.
Right.
It has been so many, I think, good years.
Hmm.
And now also I go to my studio and it feels like, you're an owner.
I can
Oh
resonate
my
with your
God.
feelings.
Yeah. Initially though it was a Torah. I was like, I'm the owner.
So अगर आपको अपने करियर को पीछे से अगर कुछ चेंज करने का आपको मौका मिले,
नहीं, nothing.
like
I say this
you-
to my people. I think I'm so satisfied with my life. If be it death comes, because it can come anyhow, है ना, मतलब plane crash हो जाता है, कुछ भी हो जाता है, XYZ. Just know that I've lived a very happy life. And there's no regret. मैंने ऐसा कुछ बाकी ही नहीं है जिसमें ऐसा चाहे कि यार मरने से पहले ये करना है.
Right.
I think I have done all the things which were big for me ever.
Right.
तो I'm in that space. अभी ऐसा कुछ मतलब करना है. There's a lot. And don't
Of
get me
course.
wrong. But ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि मरने से पहले करना है. You know, like I'm so happy. So
So do you have any regrets in life?
Nothing.
Nothing.
nothing. No regrets. I think I've made some poor choices, but those poor choices were the wisest choices, I think,
Right.
over, because they taught me everything in life.
वो धीरे धीरे चीजें
Yeah,
हमें
I
समझ में
don't want
आती
to
हैं।
change anything because
Great.
everything coming together has made me who I am today, and I'm very happy with who I am today.
तो आई बिलीव है अपनी जो बातचीत हुई है इससे काफ़ी यूथ को काफ़ी एक अच्छा मैसेज जाएगा और आप एक इंस्पिरेशन बनोगे उनके लिए भी जो डांस में आगे बढ़ना चाहते हैं और उनके लिए भी जो जीवन में आगे बढ़ना चाहते हैं। थैंक यू अक्षय फॉर योर टाइम
Most welcome.
एंड आई एम श्योर आप हमारा चैनल आगे भी देखेंगे। हम ऐसे ही नए शोज़ लाते रहेंगे, कुछ और उम्दा गेस्ट को लाएंगे जो जिन्होंने जीवन में ऊंचाइयां छुई है, हर क्षेत्र से लाएंगे। और बेसिकली हम कोशिश यही कर रहे हैं कि हमारा यूथ इंस्पायर्ड रहे और हर समय एक आगे बढ़ने की लगन रहे और जैसे अक्षय ने कहा कि नेवर टू क्विट, दैट काइंड ऑफ क्वालिटी हम सब कल्टीवेट कर पाएँ। थैंक यू, आप हमारा पॉडकास्ट देखे और आगे भी हमसे जुड़े रहिए। थैंक यू।